Facility Believers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Change Project. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So, while we are waiting for our meeting, so mag-vlog muna tayo ng isa. One of the questions na nabigay po sa atin ng ating sa mga friends, yung how did I get client when I was just starting I Can Change Project. So, as you know, nag-start lang ako 2 years ago. And nung first year ko ng providing services ay sobrang dami din ng ating nakumontak, dumami yung clients natin. So, ang isang tanong sa akin ay how to get clients while you are starting first your business. Kung nag-start ka pa lang ng business mo, paano ka ba kukuha ng client? So, let me share 3 things. First is use the social media. So, kasi pag nag-start ka pa lang, syempre, zero contact ka, wala kang mga partners. So, what I did is, I take advantage of the social media. So, lagi ako nagpo-post ng aking mga, mga services. And I paid someone to do posters for me. Tsaka yun. So, every day, always, almost every day, nagpo-post tayo ng ating mga marketing material. So, that's one. So, you take advantage of the social media because lahat ng kliyente mo nasa social media. So, lahat ng hinahanap mo, nandyan lang yan. You just have to find the way. So, doon ko na rin na-meet yung mga taga-Holy Angel University, taga-Holy Family, iba't ibang churches, iba't ibang company. So, doon na rin nila ako nakita. Alright? Second na I did is, doon muna ako nag-start doon sa aking group, sa inner group. So, kasi ganito, ang first target ko naman is for churches, sa mga church. So, nag-start ako sa churches sa Orani kasi yun ang aking community, yun ang aking circle. So, I started there. Then, from there, dahil siyempre satisfied ang ating client, we made sure na satisfied sila, na-deliver natin yung what are their expectations. So, sila na rin ngayon yung nag-advertise sa'yo. So, andali, from there sa inner circle mo, sa community mo, going outside. Okay? And third thing that I did is, I made sure I gave my best shot sa aking first few seminars. And even now, of course. Pero, talagang every detail, lahat ng sasabihin ko and everything, preparations, I gave my all, sabi nga, I gave my all. Kasi alam ko, yung makikinig na yon, that will also be my marketing tools, that will also be the person who will advertise me to different businesses, to different people around them, sa community nila. So, yun yung nangyari. After my seminar sa isang church, dito sa Luwakan, the first school na sa akin, nag-invite. So, from there, nag-invite na sa Olongapo, nag-invite na sa Balanga. So, yun, hanggang sa dumami. So, yun yung 3 strategies na ginawa ko, when I was starting my business. So, if you have business right now, whether you are providing services or you are selling products, you can follow these 3 tips. Maximize the social media. Second, use your group, your inner group, your community, diyan ka mag-start. And third, always give your best shot. Okay, so thank you very much, Believers. You can share this video to your friends na nag-start pa lang ng business para matulungan natin sila. And if you need a speaker for a seminar for student, teachers, parents, and companies team building, please call me 0939-5254-311. Okay, thank you very much, Believers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go!